Hello my friends, this is Source from China Rate Covers. It's December 2022 and now I am in my office now. Today I will show you some exhaust pipes, exhaust Y pipe, exhaust clamp, exhaust muffler. Lots of the big brand company buy the products from China. Company could transport the products directly to your warehouse, and you could also get enough new products. For example, the air filters and bending pipe and the raw material pipe and stainless steel 304 and other products like exhaust heater manifold and flexible pipe. If you need some products, I will prepare a price for you. Hello my friends, this is Source Rate Covers. Today I will show you the exhaust Y pipe. This side 2.5 inch. The material is stainless steel 409. Rate covers. This size 3 inch. This side is our 2.5 inch. This is the high flow catalyst converter. We could do different size for you, different diameter, different length. The material, the core material is metal. This is another product about the exhaust flexible pipe. The diameter we could produce it from 2 inch to 4 inch. Different length is okay for us. Come on, don't have any hesitation to contact us. We will be your good partner, good supplier. Thank you so much. Bye bye. You could also, don't forget, we also have the Made in China website. It's a similar website like the Alibaba. Thank you so much. Bye bye.